Lala kutoka chini.
Yes, hello guys, good morning. My name is Brian Vlogs, and today guys I'm coming live from the village of Old Melil, and we just woke up this early morning to go and show you how the Maasai community do their farm work. And before that, I have my friend here. It's Clinton. It's exactly at 6 a.m. in the morning, and we're heading to the farm. But before that, I just want him to introduce himself here, and then I show you a few things like the bed and also.
Hey, hello guys, it's Clinton here, and welcome back to I Am Brian's Vlog YouTube channel. It's actually early in the morning, you can tell from the background. Yeah. The sun is about to rise, and it's actually 6 a.m. in the morning. And today we are heading to a farm and use Oxen to plow the land because maybe it can be new to him. And this is one of the things that I'll maybe like him to experience here in our village.
Do you call them the bulls or?
Yeah, the bulls or oxen.
Oxen. Oh wow!
We use them to plow the land. Yeah,
I've never experienced that case before, and in our community we just use our hands to plow the land. And today is a privilege for me because I'll also be learning some of the, because they have large tracts of land. That's why they use that's why you use oxen, or maybe even if you have small farm. How do you
still you can use oxen.
Oh
But if you have a
wow!
kitchen garden, no need.
So guys, before that, let me show you something. Let's go to the pet here.
Yeah.
It has been my friend, and I had a story about it, but I did not cover it in my previous videos. And today, it's kind of final day here, and I felt like I should show you uh, this. This so this
Come
pet,
on.
this one is called
This is Rex.
Rex.
Rex. This is Rex.
Rex.
You can see it's very friendly. Yeah.
Oh, you should give me one.
Yeah.
They are friendly.
Yeah, very friendly.
Not like ours.
Yeah. This one is boss.
This is boss.
Yeah.
Clinton, you had a story about this one.
Yeah. This it got lost for actually in the year 2022. It got lost almost 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, sure. And the reason for that, it actually followed one of our worker who used to, maybe one of our friend who used to work in our home, and when he was heading to the grazing field, he left it somewhere on the way, and it was young like the other one you see here, so it could not know maybe the ways, and
6 months.
it got just lost, and I don't know where it went for those 6 months, but 6 months later it was found. I don't know even where it has gone. The other side. It was found after 6 months, and it was brought back home, and it had an injury on the eye. I don't know how it happened, but it's still okay.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's amazing story, guys, of the pet, and now we are going with the dog.
Yeah, they'll follow us there.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, we have a pure security.
Okay.
This Rex boss.
It's morning, so so let's go.
Come on.
And
this is police.
this is
This is police. This is
you have so
boss.
many dogs, one.
Rex. Yeah.
You should give me one.
Yeah.
Like this young man. I like this one.
You with one.
Hello.
He doesn't want to say hello to you.
This is boss. Yeah. How many dogs? Like four dogs. You're going with them to the farm.
Yeah, so he'll follow us there.
Yeah. So guys, this is the cow shed for the cows, and we'll be taking one of the bulls, one of the oxen, to the farm today, and we'll be plowing. Clinton, it's like you've been used to this. It's like you're used to this.
Yeah, for us, I'm used to this. But also today, maybe it is a learning lesson for someone maybe who hasn't seen people using maybe their bulls to plow the lands in the village. Yeah.
For how long do you maybe stay in the farm? Like do you go for more than, let's say, 5 hours because you're using a bull?
Even it depends with the size of the farm. At times you can go for 3 hours, depending on the size, 4 hours. Yeah.
So guys, this is
Some
the
will go even for
bull
5
that we'll
hours.
be using today. So let's go, let's go. Do you have a name for it, or maybe you have not given it a name?
Yeah.
The bull.
The bull.
Huh?
Okay, let me close here first. Okay.
Just close, no
Yeah.
problem. Mm.
Okay.
This is the cow shed. Let me hold for you. No problem. No problem,
We
guys.
usually give them the name like the like what do you call it, like Kirauni, the ones with some marks like black and white, zero. Those are some of the names. Or how do you usually call them in your places there? Maybe the bulls. How do you name your bulls in your specific, maybe in your village?
You know, in our village, we don't keep bulls for such a long time because we just sell them for maybe someone who's gonna be selling them for meat and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
we don't use them even
Oh,
in
so you
farming.
don't name the bulls.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe some people can name them, but for us, we don't pass them more than keep them for more than 2 years.
Wow.
We just sell them.
Sell them.
Yeah. In our village, actually, if a cow gives birth to a bull, everyone is unhappy. But it's a
When it
blessing
gives,
also. But everyone is unhappy because they know they feel that from the bull they won't be getting anything.
yeah,
No profit. No. How can you? They won't be siring again.
yeah,
Yeah, that's why they don't like bulls in our village.
yeah.
Yeah.
But here we love because in one or the other, we're going to serve or to bring some benefits. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go. That's the gate.
Guys, it's early in the morning. Give the video a like.
We're heading to the farm, and my friends
Come
are.
along as we take you there.
Yeah.
Actually, we're not going to our farm.
Mm.
We are going to our neighbor's farm.
Oh wow.
Yeah. But we're taking our bull there so that we can work together with the neighbors.
Why your neighbor's farm? Someone here watching.
The friend who usually plow our land
Mm.
is working in our neighbor's farm today
Oh
with his
yeah.
bulls.
It's kind of merry-go-round, you said.
It's a merry-go-round. He's actually
Hmm.
he has a good experience in that. Yeah, sure.
You see, guys, how these guys farm? It's a merry-go-round, like your uncles, right?
Yeah, like my uncles. Yeah, he's
Wow.
my uncle.
In our village, it's you alone.
Yeah, sure.
It's you and your family alone. We
You can
don't
see they're
do.
actually there. They're
Wow.
almost done. Even.
So, guys, we are heading to
You can see some
that
farms
farm
on the other side.
right there. Right there. That's where we are heading to. And this is the road we are using. So, let's go, guys. We're now heading to the farm, and some few, like just a minute, we'll be there. So let's go and see how the Maasai farm do their farm work, how they plow the land, and how they take care of their crops. We'll be learning from here. Yes, I use this part.
Yeah, yeah, I use that part.
So let's go. This is the farms, large tracts of farms right there. They have already harvested, and now it's plowing time, and then there will be planting season in some few minutes, some few months coming, when it's gonna be raining. Yeah. So let's go. Guys, I've never practiced this kind of farming before in my life, for real, because in our farms back in the village of Kisi community, we just use our hands and just a jembe to dig our farm. And here in Maasai land, it's different. So let's go and see how they do it. And maybe hopefully I'll be also plowing. Right?
Yeah, there's an incoming call. Okay, let's go. So these are the no, not really. Yeah,
I'm seeing
they're
some
just
beans
plowing the
coming up.
land. Yeah.
And guys, I'm in my Maasai attire.
Yeah. What do you comment?
It's so beautiful.
Onya,
How do I look
habari ya
this?
asubuhi.
What's the look?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cool.
Wow. So this is
Amazing.
the farm. Yeah, for sure, it's amazing. So beautiful. Habari ya asubuhi. Yaani, hiyo pia uliamkia. Ndio saa 12. Nzuri sana. Poa sana.
Let's make things
Wow, it's amazing. You can just so guys, that's how they farm, and it's a long journey. So I want to learn some few things here, and then maybe the last part of the plowing, I'll be also doing that. I'll be directing now the oxen in the farm. Yeah, Clinton. You love doing this?
For me, I love because without farming, for sure, you're not going to put the food on the table. You see all these farms all around here. In one or the other, they must have used the oxen. Even the other one, if you can see very well, they have already plowed the land, so they usually use the oxen.
Wow. What's the maybe can you show the camera here? What's the size of the farm? From maybe that end over there up
It
to the
is very,
other
very, very.
end.
You can see the farm.
How
Very,
many
very long.
meters?
I don't know. Even I don't know
Can it be like 500 meters?
more than actually. Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Imagine, guys,
Yeah,
500 meters. Imagine
yeah.
you in a farm,
500
plowing.
meters.
Imagine you in the farm plowing with a djembe, and
Yeah,
it's very industrious for you.
yeah.
Yeah, you'll just dismiss it. Just yeah. Okay. So, guys, this is one of the bulls we were using in the they were using in the farm, and they've just decided it can rest because we brought our own bull that you show that you did see when we were opening the cow shed. We had to get one of our bulls to come and help in the farm. So this one right now is resting, and they're on the far end there. Uh, Clinton, can
Like
you show them?
they usually take turns. You see?
Mhm.
Yeah, they
They
usually
take
take
turns.
turns.
It's very important
Yeah, we are actually following
because
them there so
yeah,
that we can
and
give
this
you a
is how they
glimpse.
plow their land. I think it's normal, but in our village,
You see,
it's kind of
are you
different.
seeing something which is happening here?
Uh, they're
They're actually
making.
preparing the lane to plant. You can see there
Oh,
it's perfect. You can
so
see.
they're just gonna be planting just like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, they are doing that.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
oh my God.
Yeah, you're going to plant here, and guys, you can even tell.
Mm,
Yeah, so uniform.
man.
And you imagine you are using a bull to make such kind of a hole
Wow.
or a terrace,
Mm.
yeah, or a
Guys,
line.
I think I should try this.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe one day when I have a large farm like this, I'll be doing this in my farm.
Yeah.
I really do love farming, and that's why I woke up
And you know,
early.
farming is the backbone of our
I
economy.
also experienced this.
Yeah.
Farming is very important because
Yeah.
even if you buy maybe goods from the grocery or maybe the supermarket or anywhere, uh, remember those goods, even the manufacturing industries, they get the food from this side of the
Yeah,
farm.
very true.
You have to grow the food on the soil or on the earth of this soil so that you can get it from here, and then it's gonna be processed. So farming is very important for everyone. Yeah, and I do respect that.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm now
Guys,
coming back for the second time.
Beautiful day coming in.
So beautiful.
And see. Wow.
They're now coming. You can show them.
Do you love this idea of people using animals to plow the land, or it is maybe
Yes.
something which is unique?
Making work easier.
Yeah.
I love it.
And also, in one or the other, people are going to save because
If you don't have machines,
yeah, if you don't have maybe what you're going to use to do such kind of activities, you can use your oxen and your bull.
Brian also right there directing.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, my brother is there together with my friends. They're just working out. Yeah,
I love it.
yeah.
And what about when planting the crops? Is it like tedious, or do you use machines in now placing the seeds inside the?
Now
I've seen it's kind
yeah,
of
we are in the
challenge.
village, and maybe yeah, we are not mechanized. So we come here with simple tools, like here with jembes, or we come with seeds and jembes together with fertilizer. But at times, you can just plant your seeds and put on the fertilizer in the trenches, and then after that, you bring your bull again, your bulls, and then you cut a big branch from a tree. You tie behind, and then you move them along this place that you have put your seeds and your fertilizer, so they'll be covering them automatically as they move.
You'll
The
be
leaves.
using a jembe
Yeah,
covering.
yeah. No, you know when you cut a branch, a big branch of a tree, and then you see where the you have the plow of the. See, you can see there's a chain. There's a chain which have been tied behind the bulls,
We'll be showing
holding the
you
plow.
that.
So that's why you tie your branch, a big branch of a tree. So when it moves over this soil, it covers it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you're seeing that?
Guys, imagine
Yeah,
in our in our village,
yeah.
we only use our hands to cover the soil. Immediately you plant the maize
Yeah,
inside the soil,
yeah.
we cover them using a jembe.
Yeah. Wow. But it is something new here for you, maybe. You are
Yeah,
learning.
it's very new.
Wow. Onya, salimia watu bwana kidogo.
Habari mkulima.
Iko mzuri.
Unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Nyangore.
So guys, he's saying it's called Nyangore,
Eh.
and he's one of the farmers here in the farm. As you have seen, we have been farming. They woke up early in the morning at around 5 a.m. in the morning, and yeah. Kwa hii mambo ya ukulima umeifanya kwa muda mgani?
Muda mrefu sana.
Kama miaka ngapi?
Miaka mingi sana, hata karibu miaka 20 hivi.
So guys, he's telling me he has practiced this kind of farming for more than 20 years. Na labda experience yako imekuwa gani hapa? Yaani umekuwa ukishuhudia maybe mavuno iko aje? Ina reduce ama bado inaendelea kuongezeka?
Inaendelea
na hapo kitambo.
Hii inaendelea kuongezekana. Nikijaribu kuangalia mavuno sio mbaya. Kiongeza inaongeza mapato kidogo. Ndiye inakuwa ikisaidia. Mambo ya school fees nini? Mambo mingi sana.
Sasa kwa hii shamba mnavuna gunia ngapi labda?
Hata ukivuna gunia 7, gunia 10, hiyo inakusaidia mahali.
So guys, what he's telling me is that this kind of farming it has been so pivotal for them, because they get some cash from here, and they can also use it in paying school fees, and they have practiced it for more than 20 years. And they can also, the production is very good because they can get more than 7 sacks in this kind of farm. Hii shamba iko ni kama eka ngapi? Sababu nimeona inaenda hadi huko mwisho.
Ni kama ikienda mpaka huko inaweza kuwa kama miaka moja.
So guys, you can see they're plowing, and we'll be doing this in our next video. Sasa wewe leo ni kama umepumzika ama bado nafasi yako haijafika? Sasa utakuwa na kitu huko.
Bado mimi nataka niende hivi kidogo.
Sawa. Haya,
Nataka niende nyumbani hivi kidogo. Ndio niangalie.
Haya, asante. So guys, we have been speaking with one of the farmers here, and he's telling us that farming is very pivotal for them because it has helped me a lot in terms of paying school fees for their kids and also buying food for the family, and even yeah, they do produce much, like let's say 7 sacks, more than 7 sacks of maize. And right now, guys, you know that the farm inputs are also expensive. I did not ask him about that, but I'll be asking someone about the farm inputs because right now they're very expensive. So let's go.
Ngabu hivyo ni ya kuweka nini mahindi? Kupanda au? Au kupendua tu? Oh. Haya. Nzuri.
Yeah, so guys, it's not easy.
Go down on the other side. Chini. Lala kutoka chini. Ishike juu. Just rudi hapa.
Hapa. Mwili direct eh? Iko sawa.
Slide kwenda huko na finya inakuja juu.
boss. Yeah. So guys, I've done one line and I think half of it, but I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. It's not that easy. Clinton, I thought it's like a walkover.
No, it's not
Now I'm
easy.
feeling like I should even use a jembe.
And imagine we can come here in the morning and you haven't taken your breakfast. What you usually do, you just wash your face and brush your teeth. Maybe depending, but most of the time we usually come before breakfast time. So you need to be, it's some kind of exercise. So you need to be used to it and also be flexible when you're moving with the oxen. You don't need to put a lot of strength or effort on it. You just need to follow the line and also maintain your pace.
Wow. So
Yeah.
guys, now I think I should now do the part of directing the oxen now in planning.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be tedious, but I will try.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Now let's go. You direct.
Brian is maybe because he's used to it.
Yeah.
He has done more than 4 lanes.
Yeah. You don't put effort. You go slow and slow by slow.
It's not easy. So I've just left them to head over that side, and then when they come back, I'll now be using it again for the second time because the first time they said I did try, but I used a lot of energy, and I'm not supposed to use a lot of energy in it. So let them come back, and then we try to that end.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Ile wakati mbona nguvu unaniambia ni hivi. Nilikuwa nataka nitumie nguvu huko. Amlimangi na nini? Pia tulimangi na hii tunajenga jembe. Unajua jembe?
Oh, oh. So, okay.
Niambia kama ni
Just take don't apply a lot of maybe effort. Uh-huh. Just relax. Uh-huh. Guys, this is how we do it. You can see. Chini, chini.
Saidia hiyo bro.
So guys, that's it for today, and I'll just let them continue plowing the farm because we are heading somewhere also to bring you some content of maybe here in the village. There's so many videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm with my friend right here, Clinton.
Yeah,
Can say
guys, it's Clinton here. I've been directing my brother today, shooting videos, and hope you have learned one or two things, yeah,
yeah,
about farming.
yeah.
So, guys, this is how we basically use our animals, that is bulls. We usually use them to plow the land because we are not
Clinton,
much mechanized.
Clinton, it's not that easy.
Mm-hmm.
Directing the animals, the bulls, the oxen.
Yeah.
I've seen they use certain language. Is it kind of they understand what you're saying?
Like you do shouting, like
I've seen them directing when directing the animals.
mm-hmm.
They're saying like H.
Hey,
Do
hey,
what?
hey, like come, come, come. Come means turn back, like you take a turn when it reaches the end.
Okay.
And also when you say like you shout like you shout, you see that gives you vibe when you are working. Like it's like just working as the same time you're making stories. You see time will like be you love that vibe. It has the vibe, yeah. Like shouting, wah, 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 cop, 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 like that. You see those kind of terms. Yeah,
So you can hold the camera for me so that I can
yeah,
say something.
yeah. Let's do this.
So guys, it's not that easy as I have just said in my video. I thought it's maybe it's kind of somehow easy, but maybe it's for my maybe for the first time. I think I've tried. What can you say, Clinton? Maybe the rate out of 10.
Mm,
I think I've done 2 lanes.
uh, one thing first, maybe you when you are working on this service or this farm, you know this one has already been ploughed
Loud, yeah.
initially. This is the second time they are doing it. So there is a time when they haven't ploughed. So that is much kind of difficult as compared to this one. This one is kind of lighter. But again, you don't need to put a lot of pressure when you're working on this one. You just ensure that the plow that you are using is in line with the area that has not been worked on, like this side. Yeah. And
So
yeah.
what's the rating for me? Now that you can rate me in maybe 10.
Yeah, out
What
of
can you
10,
give me?
out of 10, you are only lacking 4. I can rate you 6.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching
Yeah.
this video. It's been a morning routine for us.
Uh-huh.
We woke up at 6 a.m. but for the farmers, they woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning. They came here in the farm. They did some plowing from that other end, and we got them ready
Amazing.
on this lower part. And they've just done two to 5 lanes because also my friend Brian was also helping. We thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you learned something, and let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao.